So, today our discussion will be around my friend Ram and spider, of which he is afraid of. From childhood, my friend Ram is afraid of the spider. He was associated with the Little Miss Muffet Away, the poem from the childhood, and then he saw a couple of video how tarantula spider is biting human and the impact related to this for the human being with the poisons. So today I was traveling with Ram in a pathway and then suddenly saw a spider came towards Ram which is jumping. It was not a regular spider, it was not a tarantula spider, but a small spider with beautiful black in color and some white dot in it. After seeing Ram, he became really afraid. I tried to convey the message that the spider is not for you. It will not bite you anyway, but the inner fear, the inability to cope up the situation of spiders jumping situation, Ram became really afraid and scared. What he did, from his laptop bag, he took a newspaper, the newspaper of today. So seeing the spider, he was not having any associativity what is going and how to escape that situation. So he pulled out today's newspaper and started beating the jumping spider. He tried once, but the spider jumped into the next step. He tried another, but the spider jumped into another place. Then he realized that the newspaper is not folded enough, not tightened enough to kill a spider efficiently. And then on fifth attempt, when he just folded strongly the newspaper and hit on the spider and it was got killed. Then there was a super relief of Ram's face and he was really stressed free. The learning that I have from this story, it is not about the killing spider and how efficiently you are killing. So the fundamental essence is the situation which may come is not our control. Spider may come. The jumping ability of the spider and our miss versus hit probability is not in our control. What we can control is tightening and folding the tools and technique that we have, let's say newspaper in that case, so that when you will be focusing on the spider and hitting hard, then in regular attempt of first it will go killed situation, or in the second attempt it will be killed, not 5 times it is required to kill a spider. So fundamental aspect is preparation is extremely important. Now presence of mind is extremely important. That Ram he was carrying one newspaper just to kill the insect which makes him scary. So that is very good. Second is not only the skill, will. So he had a courage to kill the spider so that he can get rid of the stress condition. So that's very good. The third and essential object is to make the tools tighten enough so that you can get the desired result when you will be hitting with these tools and objects to the object you desire to kill or desire to get rid of. So essential requirement is not only having the tool, but you need to keep in mind how efficiently you are using the tool with a fantastic presentation, with a fantastic desire to achieve the milestone. Because if the hitting and the jumping of the spider is being continuous, then it could have been such a case that spider go away and Ram could not be able to kill that. It may be the spider jump in his nose. So fundamental objectives, the opportunity that is knocking in the door, or you create opportunity, do not wait for the second chance. Try with your level best and take the tools and technique ready always with your positive aspiration, so that you can kill the spider in first attempt, or as a plan B second attempt, not the 5 attempts will be required. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you will be able to learn the essence and the key aspect of this story. Apply that in your regular day in and day out. Create a winning habit so that you can enjoy the sustainable success in your life. Thank you. Wish you the best. And if you want to learn more, you can visit my website www.sudeepsinhaonline.com. You can join us in different NLP program. You can subscribe my video channel so that you will be more associated with me with newer learning, newer management skills and tools which will enable you to transform your life from ordinary to extraordinary. Thank you very much.